Hi everyone, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. This is an unboxing for the Hip Kit Club for February 2018, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you the Ephemera pack. I took everything out to make it a little bit faster and a little bit easier. You get 59 pieces. This is Pink Fresh Studios Let Your Heart Decide collection. And here are some of the pieces that you get. Purpose Fuels Passion, En Route, little traveler's notebook, some florals. This looks like a bullet journal type thing. Smart is beautiful, different is beautiful. Looks like a clip. Write the story on your heart. Some more flowers. Let your heart be your compass. Some books. Indulge a little. Restless Soul, looks like a weaving, a hummingbird, some greenery. There's Carefree, Long Story, a cloud, another floral, Dream a Little Dream, some hearts, some more florals, Authentic Tag, Page Turner, some more florals. It looks like a frame with tape. On to the next chapter, Just Start. Florals in a vase, some banner tags, memories, I'll keep close to my heart, live in the moment, head up, heart strong, just start, and to be continued. So here's a scan over of everything, all 59 pieces that you get in the Ephemera pack. So peachy pinks and mints and teals, some gold foil, really pretty collection. The next thing I'm going to show you is from Pink Fresh Studio, and this is also the same collection, I believe. Yep. Let Your Heart Decide collection. It's Alpha Puffy stickers. And these are the matte finish. Really nice. Lots of letters. You get 2 sheets of puffy stickers, so you get a lot of bang for your buck there. Beautiful colors. This is the BU collection, Pink Fresh Studio, and these are wood epoxy buttons. You get 21 pieces, and some have greenery, some have hearts and different designs on them. There's a pink one that says hello, a red one that says happy. There's a pink bird, a pink love, a darker pink BU, and really pretty. That's all those. Next we have Pink Fresh Studios Let Your Heart Decide collection, and these are wood veneer stickers. So you've got some hearts and florals on here, some greenery, and some of them say, oh my heart, heart of gold, part of the journey, follow your heart, story, an ampersand, yes, and so much love. And then last but not least, as far as the embellishments go, this is from American Crafts, and it is stickers, Pick Me Up collection. And you get 2 sheets of this, and they say, hooray, pick me up, kindness matters, happiness is where you are, no worries, be happy, stitch happy, let courage guide you, wild, friendship, laugh, grateful, love grows here, life happens, and love, and there's hearts and greenery and gold foiling. There's a girl that's doing yoga, or she could be also just exercising in general. You've got some fruits, a sailboat, an apron, looks like. And then on the second page, you have more florals and hearts. There's a love, a camera, an ampersand, a transistor radio, a smile, be your beautiful self tag, hello, watermelon, happiness. There is a shopping girl, love it, some butterflies, today, shine bright, you do you, lovely day, looks like an iced coffee, good life, could be iced sweet tea as well, a swimming suit, some really cute different things, some watermelon, and then the piece de resistance, the papers. It's my favorite part. I kind of grouped them together as far as collection goes. This is Let Your Heart Decide, and this is by Pink Fresh Studios, and the name of this paper is called Caper, and it's a floral. I will probably cut these apart, not for sure. I think it also make a nice background. We've got observations, everyday beautiful, take note, today, yes this, good things, happy heart, love it, take time, all heart, authentic, loving right now, perfection. So these are really, really pretty, and the colors are Kelly green, mint, light teal, that peachy pink everybody loves, kind of a goldenrod, red, and I'm not sure if there's a dark teal, that's a black. I was wondering if that was a navy, but it looks like there's also kind of a lighter navy color in here, and a gray, so really like that. There's also a darker peach too, so really like the hearts on that. And then we have a definite mint green, and then the circles have a dark teal in them, and on camera it's kind of coming out as maybe a navy, but it's actually a darker teal. The next one in the same collection, Let Your Heart Decide collection, this one is called Instinct, and this is a floral on a mint. Well, it's not a floral actually, it's a greenery. Looks like all plants, no flowers, on a kind of a mint background. Very, very pretty, and the leaves, some of the leaves look like they're sponge painted on. So you've got like a darker teal, a Kelly green, some goldenrod colors in there. And then on the back of this is a salmon color that just kind of fades into white. And that is really, really pretty. Same collection. So Let Your Heart Decide collection. This one's called Impulse. And this is a floral page. It's on white, same color sequence as the other two pages. You've got your black, that pretty peachy pink, darker peach, or salmon, goldenrod, gray, and teals. Very pretty. And then this is a goldenrod geometric. See if I can get a good shot at that. The next collection is Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Pick Me Up. This is number 5. And this is like a paint splatter combination with white dots. So it looks like patchwork painting. And you've got black and navy and pink and that peachy pink and a darker peach and a hot pink and a bright yellow and a mint color scheme and black. So, and then on this side, it's kind of a quilty type pattern, and you've got on the top that peachy pink, and you've got red and a bright pink and then a lighter pink, and it's sewed together. Looks like we've got a blanket stitch, a straight stitch, and a cross stitch. Then same collection, Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Pick Me Up. This is number 22. This is a teal with sailboats, and the boats have light blue and white sails on a teal background. And the teal background is kind of all multicolored, like fades in and out. And then the back of this is that pretty peachy pink on white, and it's like a X and diamond type pattern. Really pretty, really light, very, very pretty. The next collection, it looks like, is from Pink Fresh Studio, and there's only one of this, and this is called Sincere from the BU collection. And this is kind of a quilt pattern in the same type colors. It's got a lot of different patterns. This can be used as a cut-up card or a background. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use it, but it's really pretty. And then the back is a peach with a navy dot. So, very pretty. And then the last collection of papers is by Maggie Holmes, Flourish. This one is called Anne. It is a cream background with black fern or leafy print. And then the opposite side is Paint Strokes, and we've got a dark teal, a lighter teal, a mint, a peachy color, and a hot pink. This is also Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. This is called Poppy, and this is a red kind of stitched pattern. I'm not sure exactly what to call it. It reminds me of a quilt, and it looks like quilt stitching to me, but it's red on pink. And then the other side is teal hearts on white. Really, really pretty. And they're all the same color of teal. On the camera, it's not showing it. It shows up some are darker than others. I guess some are darker than others. Never mind. Yeah. And then lastly, Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. This is called Charming. This is different colored bugs and butterflies. Really pretty in the same color. Same color scheme. This is on a cream type background. It's got some spots of teal on it, like splatters. And then this is a black with a white dot. So, might be cream. Yeah, I think it's a cream dot. So, and that's it for the Hip Kit Club for February. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon on some other videos that I have. And keep on scrapping.